Alright guys, hey, today I got a special surprise for you. Well, I got actually a surprise box. I was garage sailing and I found this right here. Asked them how much they wanted for it. They said $5, 5 Canadian dollars. So right at the top I seen there's a CB box. So gotta buy it, right? Mud don't walk away from a deal. So who knows, or it might be a bunch of crap. So let's see what we got in here. Let's start off with open some of these boxes. First box, the mystery box. What's in here? What's in here? First off, we got some sort of SMNA. Looks like a GPS receiver. Right on. With a little SMA. Why not? We got ourselves some cords and stuff, some big plug. Has some sort of use to it. Okay, let's put that to the side. Some wire. A couple big old microphones. The guy said that his brother had these, and he was a trucker, so we got a couple big old microphones here. Put it to the side because we got a radio in here. So what do we got here? Let's see. The faceplate is off on it. This is a Cobra, built in 1997. I'm not sure if it's modified or not. Can't really tell. Faceplate is missing, but we got to find the power cord for it too. So let's put it to the side. Got a neat little speaker here. External speaker. Yeah, that might be useful for something. Got a bracket for one of the CBs. Oh, check this out. A little ratty. It has a broken wire on it. But this might be a power mic. I can't really tell what. Put that with the mics. Actually, this one right here, this is a power and amplified mic. There is a battery that goes on the back, and it has a gain. This might be kind of fun to play with a bit. All right, we got something wrapped up here. What's this? Cherokee CM10 Plus. What is this? I don't even know. Do you think this could be a 10-meter radio? We'll look it up and we'll see what this is. Again, no power cord, but hopefully we have a bunch of power cords in the box somewhere. Oh, right on. It was bubble wrap, so it's got to be somewhat important, right? Couple more mics, Cobra mic. A lot of Cobra stuff in here. Oh, here's a Motorola. Oh, what do we got here? We got a Motorola with check it out, the weird antenna on the back. Okay, this has got to be, it's got to be a 2-meter. Gotta look this one up. I really hope we have the power. Actually, no, that's a data cable. That's maybe a program cable. Here's the power cable. Dude, I really hope this one powers up. This looks like a fun one. We'll have to do something on this one, you guys. Right on. Okay, so we got that. All right, here we go. We got a Kenwood instruction book for something, but we don't have the radio yet. So let's see where maybe that radio's in here. Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh wow, it's just all piled with everything in here. Let's get this little cord on there. This has the power supply hooked up to this. Is really dusty. Here's the power supply. Okay, here we go. Kenwood TK7360H VHF FM transceiver. All right. Oh wow, That thing's seen better days. Check that out. But this could be a 2-meter rig. I'm not sure. Let's look at the specs quickly here. Doesn't say, maybe it's programmed for channels. Possibly has to be programmed. We could program it. We'll get her down the road, Kate. Get her over here. Alright. Oh, here's some weird ass microphone too. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Check this out. Little speaker. Actually, I want to probably use for something. That looks actually really cool. Okay. We got a bunch of mics. Got a bunch of mics, another speaker, a whole bunch of stuff. Looks like we got some sort of, maybe an adapter for a microphone. Yeah, so we got some sort of adapter for a microphone. That might be worth something right there, where I could use the mic on all different radios here. Yeah, a lot of microphones. Well, you guys get these microphones and put them somewhere. Oh, man, it's just a mess. Okay, this well, okay, this Kenwood here, I'm trying to untangle. Also, there's the big data plug on the back that we have that cord for. So maybe that is the programming cable or some sort of external. Oh, this might be something good. I don't know. With the micro, oh man, this is as big as one of my radios, my ham radios. Oh, cool. Okay, so we got power. Let's see here. There's the wires. All right, let's we're gonna toss all this back in the box. We're gonna have fun with one of these Kenwoods here. That's all right. Now let's open up this one. Performance pack. What is this? This is our best CBA and highest performing mic joint forces. Okay. I don't know if it's brand new in the box. I don't even know what's in this box. Let's open this thing up. What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? What's in here? I don't usually do unboxing videos, but we got to unbox this one. This one's awesome. Oh man, okay. Here we go. We got the little zip tie thing, the little microphone hanger. This will actually probably put in my truck right now. We got the wood veneered microphone. Still in the package, all the screws and hardware. Still in the package, the bracket. Now here's this. Here is the radio. July 2014 is the date on it. Of course, I don't have the power supply, but these are actually easy to get at a truck stop. So what is this one? We have, I don't think it's a sideband. Nope, no sideband. We got to get a cord for that. Surprise, all this stuff and we don't have cords. Let me check here. No cords there. I do have a cord somewhere in my junk boxes. Now, one of these have a cord for them. How about that? All right. Well, let's test one of these out. One with the cord. I'm going to be using today a tiny little WattCycle 8 amp hour battery with a little test leads. This is a perfect battery for doing these little tests because it's so tiny. It doesn't have a lot of amp draw. It'll power these things up really nice. And if we knew the pins on here, we could probably just hook up onto them, but I don't know the pin out on it at the time, so we're not going to risk it. That radio's gonna go to the side. That one to this. Well, geez, yeah, that one's gonna go to the side. We need a radio with a wire on it. What do we got? This guy right here. This old beauty. Let's see what this one does. Make some room. We'll hook up our little antenna here that we got also at a garage sale. And let's hook up this. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can fry it. There we go. Okay, we powered up. Weather channel. Okay. Volume. Scan. Weather 2. Trail and trucking. Nova. Here we go with the LAD channel. Oh, right on. So this is used for the truckers, obviously. It has the LAD programmed into it. 2-meter radio. Well, that's fun. I wonder how many watts this thing is. Gonna have to do some more research, guys. I'm gonna dig into these radios. We're gonna do some digging. We're gonna see what they... Okay, it works. Let's try another. What else do we got that we could plug in? This one's super cool. This one's a neat one. I don't even have an antenna for this one. Ooh, she sparked. High power. Not getting anything on here. Oh, going backwards. That's why. Okay, let's go the right way. Whoa, that's loud. 4 channels. It beeps. All right, on. Okay, what is this? Man, we gotta look this up. We gotta look up the pinouts on this one. Surprise, surprise, I got a power cord with the ends. Let's put it on there and see what it does. Okay, let's do this little guy. How do we turn it on? All right, here we go. We just turned it on for the first time. $26, $27. Looks like it's a CB. Let's get the antenna plugged into it. Where did you go, antenna? I don't even know if it has a. Boy, it has a. It does have a speaker on the bottom. You squelch. Seems to be working. Not getting any juice to it, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. What is it, a Cherokee? I don't know if I have the mic either. I might have. Interesting radio. Alright. Not gonna work for us right now though, because we can't get it working. Let's try this big old Cobra here. Big Cobra. Oh, that's a beaut. Oh, look at that one. The knob's a little busted on this one. On it. Not the best shape, but $5, right? Kind of funny still in the box and probably kind of a crappy one, but all right, let's power up this guy. Can't tell what any of the knobs are doing. Missing the faceplate, so it's kind of hard to see what it's doing. Could be sideband too. Who knows, one of these switches could be a sidebander. But no sound. Not doing much with it today. A lot of these might be just donated back, but those Kenwoods are pretty sweet looking. I tell you that much. What else we got that we haven't touched yet? Got this Motorola, we got that one. All right, well, you know what? Thanks to everyone for joining me, and again, thanks for WattCycle, you guys, powering this experiment. They got a full lineup of all these different kind of batteries. This is one of my little favorite ones. This one I toss around with me and do my testing with. All the way up to the 280 amp hour one for the big guns. Guys, go check out the links below, and I could get you something going on. All right, you guys. For now, 73s. C hams on the bands. If you're a CBer, see you on the highway. Talk to you later.